Skeptic about using Temu tools? I was too. Today I will be unboxing and using a Temu tool that is much less than its competitors and states to have the same or similar performance and specs. But let's talk specs. This is a variable speed surface preparation tool that is made of steel, aluminum, and some plastic components. It is 110 or 120 volts with RPMs ranging from 750 to 3100. It comes with a 120 to 100 millimeter wheel or 4-inch wheel. At the time I'm filming this, Temu no longer sells this product, but I will link the Amazon equivalent. Actually, it's the same product, but in the link below, okay? The manual is really basic. It lists what it's used for, the features, what's in the package, but has poor instructions on assembly and only shows diagrams of the finished product. It also shows how to use it, but that's pretty self-explanatory. There's a giant button that you press to turn it on and minimal safety instruction. As a bonus, I picked up this extra nylon brush that was pretty cheap on Temu as well. I'll link that as well, but I will be using it for future projects because it makes wood kind of pop out. For me, I would recommend using eye protection and a mask or respirator when using this product, since you'll be putting out a lot of small dust particles. And as a nurse, I really recommend it because I've seen stuff in the ED in people's lungs that shouldn't be there because they don't wear protection. Here I am putting it together, and yes, I started upside down, but here's the final assembly. And yes, that is not water, that's sweat. It is 100 degrees in my garage, and it feels like a sauna in here. As you can see, yep, it works. If you like the content and found this video helpful, check out my videos from time to time. The affiliate links and the products will be listed below, and thanks for watching.